Good afternoon, YouTubers, fellow reloaders. Happy Father's Day. Nice cool lemonade. That's not quite lemonade. I've been away a bit, and away in the sense of not making videos because I was without camera, as I was lending it to someone else who wanted to try out some YouTube camera-ing. So I am back. I'm back in action, and I thought for Father's Day I have a handful of videos planned, or at least ideas. We'll see how many I get through them. I think I'll get through a bunch on Father's Day. The question is, when will they be posted? So soon. I want to start with a tool, and this I thought was just way beyond cool. It was one of those daily deal kind of things, and whoops, I watched I went to the link and I saw that it was more than 50% off. I think it was for like 12 bucks, 11, 12 bucks, something like that. And after watching the video, I'm like, oh, that is too cool not to have. So it's a vice grip wire stripper. And there's all kind of wire strippers. In fact, my go-to wire stripper is right, yeah, Lamage. Old Lamage does the trick, and after, thin and doesn't take up a lot of space in the tool kit. But I thought, after seeing this thing in action, and there's a couple ways of setting this, and I think this is one of them. When you pop this up or down, and then you have this particular, I'll call it a guide stop, or stop guide, in terms of how much wire you want to cut, or strip rather. So you can tell that this is from a while ago. So what I will do is cut each of these, and we'll start fresh. So let's assume, let's assume you had to cut that, strip that. So if you wanted to do one at a time, and you wanted your strip to be that long, is that just too cool? That is just too cool. And if you wanted it to be longer, you push that out. So we'll make this second one much longer. Pop that off. That is just beyond cool. Beyond cool. And so that I can see what I'm doing, I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to make that relatively short. And I don't know if it'll do both of these at once. We're going to find out. Yes, it did. That is cool. All right, that was a tiny wire. And I think this will do from 10 to 24 gauge. Okay, so here's a sheath of, again, some spare stuff I had. Oh, this will be probably, this will be at the upper bands. And I'm going to take that out a little bit. Actually, let's just take that out a lot a bit and see what happens. Okay, still better than I would have done. And then to do each one of those, depending on how much you want, let's just do, that's not enough. Still makes light work of insulated, like a Romex kind of It probably helps if I have it in the tool. All right, so for not knowing anything about what I was doing, I would call this a pretty nifty little auto wire stripper, Irwin Vice Grip wire stripper. Beats the heck out of this, I'll tell you that. That goes, hopefully that quick demo of something that I would have spent a lot longer with just a couple of clicks trying to do it in front of the camera. So I'll call it split attention, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Good stuff. All right, video 1's down.